When you shop at Dior or Chanel, the biggest difference is the personalization of the experience.
And that's where our clients also shop a lot, at Dior or Chanel or Hermes. But the point of this video is when she mentioned about it being a personalized experience. She said there that Dior, Chanel, and these expensive shops know more than just your name and your address, but they actually already know what you want even before you know that you want it. And that's why people keep coming back, especially rich people, wealthy people, keep coming back to these brands because of the personalization of the experience. They feel like they're a VIP. They feel like these shops know them personally, know their intimate wants and needs and desires, and that's luxury. She also mentioned there that if you want to work with high-paying clients, that's what we need to replicate. As executive virtual assistants, we want to work with high-paying clients. We want to work with premium clients. And for us to be able to work with these premium clients, we have to be premium executive virtual assistants as well. And that's what I love about being an executive virtual assistant. I would definitely say that this is a specific niche. If you are a social media manager, that's your niche. Now, my niche is an executive virtual assistant. You can say that it's a general type of niche. It's just like you're a general VA. No. I don't think so. An executive virtual assistant is on a different caliber. It's on a different level because we want to work with premium clients and we want to bring in the premium experience for our clients. As executive virtual assistants, you're not just here to do inbox management, calendar management, travel management. No. You're here to provide them with VIP experience. You're here to give them the life that they want, the luxury life that they deserve. And that goes above inbox, calendar, and travel. That goes into more knowing what they want, knowing what they need, even before they know that they need it. One example, when your client is so busy during the week, you've already seen their calendar is so full, but their weekend is blank. There's nothing happening on the weekend. So what I'm going to do, which my client used to love before, is I book them a massage in their favorite massage place over the weekend without them even asking me to do so. So what I'm going to tell them, okay guys, I booked you a massage over this weekend. Let me know if you are available. If I don't see anything in your calendar. If you're not available, just let me know and I'm going to cancel. But if you're not doing anything, I think you guys deserve a really great massage and a relaxing weekend, so you can head over this time. Everything is already in your calendar. And they love that. They really love that. And that's why clients love working with executive VAs. Another premium experience that I always do for my clients is whenever they travel. So my client loves to travel a lot. So I already befriended a lot of reservation managers in hotels that they usually go to. So what I always do whenever they travel is I make sure I tell the reservation people that when my client arrives, make sure that they feel like a VIP, make sure people are ready there to get their bags, make sure that there are drinks already available, make sure that the room is ready, everything should be folded out, there should be an available yoga mat, there should be already hot water available for them to have coffee, and so on and so forth. So my client arrives already feeling like they are VIP, that the whole hotel knows them and that they feel like they own the hotel. That's how I make my clients feel like they are living the life of luxury. And that's how executive virtual assistants work, because we know everything about our clients' lives. We have access to all of their things. If you are already on that level wherein your client already trusts you, then you already have access to all of their inbox, to all their calendars. You know what's going to happen to them this month, next month, up until next year. You already know what they like. You already know their favorite chocolate, their favorite cake, and all of those things. Then you can already personalize all of the experiences they're going through. And they would definitely know that it's you who made sure that they feel this personalized experience. And that's when they will know that they cannot live without you, and you're going to have a long-term partnership with your client as an EVA. So if you want to learn more how to be a successful executive virtual assistant, all you have to do is follow me. You can join my community. Free community link is in my bio. I also have an online course, a paid online course. Everything will be in the link in my bio, as well as free tutorials on my YT channel. If you're watching this on a different platform, then links will be in the caption down below.